Know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Tuesday, I think it's the 25th. It's 3 days until my birthday. But today we're going about business. So I need to renew my license. I'm going to the tax office because I have to renew my license. I need to, my motor vehicle registration or something like that need for renew as well. And then I have to go and order a cake. I also have to go to the car wash because my car, I'm very embarrassed to would even show no how bad in my car look and the outside. So I have all of that to do, and yes, I'm gonna take you guys along. It's the beginning of another weekly vlog. I hope this vlog is festive. I think it's like a festive in about, yeah, because the girl birthday, the girl is about to be 34. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that, and then what else? That should be it. So yeah, just come with me. We're going to the tax office. I don't know the procedure at all, so I feel like a fish out of water. I may eat feel so, but what for do because we're adults, right? I just said I want to be a princess because I want people to do these things for me. But anyways guys, let's go. Oh, while I drive, I won't be vlogging because I will be listening to my book. It's called The Contracts. I'm going to put a picture of it right here. I listen to it on Audible. But definitely worth the listen. It is so good. So tea. But yeah guys, later. Alright guys, so I just got done at the tax office. It's 11:08. I reached here about after a little bit after 9, so 2 hours. I got everything that I came for. So I got a new driver's license. The picture is so ugly, but that's not why we're here. So now, and I also got my registration done. I'm gonna go now to the body man because I had a little scratch. Well, I had a little dent on the car and then I fixed it. And now he said he wants to buff it or polish it or something like that. So I'll go there to see if we can get that done, and then I'll get something for you because I'm really hungry. Probably stop at Starbucks or something. And as you know, one thing, I'm gonna listen to my book on the way. Sorry if me annoyed by going forward and back, but I don't drive in shoes, so me not take off my slippers. So we'll catch you now later, guys. I got my matcha. Should I make it good, but it's alright. The only difference from what I normally do oat milk. Them not have no oat milk, and I don't like soy milk. TMI, it make me constipated. So I'm gonna just use regular milk. I just don't feel like it would taste good with almond milk. So it is a iced matcha. That size here, I think it's grande. It has 1 pump of vanilla syrup, 1 pump of toffee nut syrup, and 1 portion, I don't know if a cup or a spoon or what, of vanilla bean powder, and a vanilla sweet cream cold foam at the top. It's so good. As I must say, the only difference, and I also got a bagel because as I'm gonna tell you, I'm hungry. I have to eat some, I can't drive yet. I Anyways, it's 11:56, almost 12. Number one, lunchtime catch me. I got job going on the car wash. The level of dirty that my car is on, child. I forgot today. After. That's why I make sure I clear my day. I think I've done everything. So I was supposed to go to sorry if me I got my mouth and eat and talk if it's Anaya. So sorry but I'm hungry, guys. So I was supposed to go to Sugar and Spice to order a cake. However, I'm really not a cake girly. Like, I will eat a slice of cake, right? But I'm getting a red velvet cream cheese cake from Pastry Passions. So I was wondering if it's necessary to buy a Sugar and Spice cake just for the aesthetics, or even though I'm still gonna get my red velvet cake. That's what I was going to do. When you think about it, no, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense to buy a cake just for share up. I already have a cake and I'm not gonna eat off that cake by myself. I love that Pastry Passions cake, so I'm gonna slice it really thin and share it. I'm not really have no friend anyways, so you know what, it never was that serious. So I'm gonna buy a Sugar and Spice cake. Keep that 4 or 5 days in my pocket. You really want to like more than eat a slice. So what I probably will do is just go and get myself a slice Friday. No, serious, I'm gonna buy a whole cake. I mean I could, but I don't have to. Like, I know myself, I'm known that I know. I stop the talking and finish it. As I said, guys, I got the car wash. So my stomach is all caught up. I'm gonna go to the car wash and then get this over with and go home. I get over with and go home. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna listen to my book and check my to-do list to see if I have missed anything. I doubt it though. So got home about probably half an hour ago, but tell me why I'm reach home just in time for pick up the clothes on my father line and then rain start tear down the place as soon as I leave the car wash. You think bon at? But not at it. Imagine you just drive out of the car wash and rain start tear. Child. Now I forgot wipe down the car. Help. That's anyways, today was a very productive day. Got all that I needed to get done. So tomorrow I'm gonna do some work because I'm not gonna work Thursday. I have all my maintenance appointments scheduled for Thursday, so I'm gonna get my nails done, I do my pedicure, you know, my hair, whatever. I need to do my lashes. I contemplate if I'm supposed to make an appointment for my brows, but I really want to get my brows microbladed, so I might not go ahead and do the tint. We'll see. So yeah guys, that's basically it for today. I'm gonna pick up my son in maybe another hour or two. I'm gonna try to get a quick nap, even though I'm not a nap girl, but I'm gonna try. What else? That's it really. Oh, I wanted to get myself a sandals from Bridget for my birthday, right? However, them don't have no rose and really just want a gold rose. So I'm probably forgot all off on that. So I try to think when I forget myself for my birthday. Outside of what I'm gonna get, outside of the big gift I'm gonna get myself, I wanted to get myself another little gift, you know. I don't know, I suppose maybe a perfume or some charms. But you know why I only have 3 charms on my Pandora? Because I don't think I should buy my own charms. Do you guys agree? I do agree. So these 3 charms, I didn't buy them and I don't think I should. But I really want my Pandora to look full up. So I contemplate. I don't know. I'm going to take a little nap, guys. So later. Morning guys, it's actually Thursday morning, so I am about to go to the nail salon. Today I have to do my nails and my hair, so I'm going to get my nails done now. It's 9:40 in the morning. I didn't pick up the camera yesterday because the sunscreen always are going on my eye. Never pick up the camera yesterday because I worked all day yesterday because I want to make sure I'm going to have nothing for do today. Maybe something for do tomorrow morning, but yeah. So I did that. But I'm gonna stop at Starbucks because as you know, a girl I got hungry and I need my matcha fix. I need my matcha fix in the morning. So I'll stop at Starbucks and go. I should have showed you guys my outfit. It's just a nice little maxi dress, brown. Yeah, only thing I eat for myself right now is the wig because the wig is not giving. Why am I always look about the place except right so. But anyways guys, yeah, I'm gonna drive out now. Now listen to book, but I go think the YouTube. So later guys, I got my matcha and my sandwich and it's oat milk and it's so good. What after 10? It is 10:02. So I'm late. Officially late. So I'll go now guys. So later. Can't ever eat. I'm hungry, you know. When I reach, guys, I'm reaching a nail tech, so I'm gonna go because I'm late, 9 minutes late. So today did not go as planned as it relates to vlogging at all. When I get for sure nothing, the day was so more fast, but these are my nails. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it can work. Them wanna think in the comments, them can work, I guess. So it's 1:53. I just collected my son from school. I'm actually at home in the parking lot, but I'm about to drive back out because I'm gonna get my hair done and my lashes. I me alone feel like naked more right when I not have on a lash. It feels so weird. I'm gonna lie that, you know, because my natural state is supposed to be enough for me. But yeah, these are my nails. In truth and in fact, whether I'm like them or not, I just have to work with them. They're okay. They're just not exactly what I wanted, but them can work. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Later, guys. Happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. So close your eyes and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candle. Close your eyes and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candle. 1 time for the birthday chick. Woo! 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. Kick out your book and your apartment. Ball it out and man, kick it out your door.